Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been sharing my morning routine for a while. This time I'd like to share an updated morning routine with some of my favorite wellness, skincare, hair care, and makeup products that I've been using. So let's get started. As a working mom, it's hard to balance my juggling work and a busy life. Oftentimes, I don't take good care of myself, especially when it comes to getting the right nutrients every day, because it's hard to get enough nutrients I need from diets alone. That's where Rituals comes in. Every morning, I take a Ritual Essential for Women multivitamin. This is designed for women over 18 to support the body's nutrient needs. It helps fill the nutrient gaps no matter what I eat during the day. Just take 2 capsules a day. It's very easy to take, no irritation even with my empty stomach. This is a convenient way to support my overall health and wellness so that I can keep doing all the things I love. If you want to try this multivitamin from Ritual, just head to the link in my video description or use my code chrishanxoxo on your Ritual order to get 20% off your first month. I usually don't feel like eating a lot in the morning, so I make some fresh smoothies, just enough to boost my mood and energy. I shared this vegan milk and a smoothie maker like a while ago. I am still using it for my breakfast. The power drink is refreshing and awakening, just perfect for the morning. Now let's move on to the skincare. I cleanse my face using L'Occitane Immortelle Divine Cleansing Cream. It's enriched with AHA. It removes impurities on the skin while enhancing the natural glow. I like the foamy texture. This foamy cleanser visibly smooths the skin texture and brings back the skin radiance. And I really like the natural scent of the cleanser. For the treatment, I've been using MZ Skin Bright and Perfect Serum with 10% vitamin C. I started to see some new dark spots this summer, so I wanted to brighten the skin and lift my hyperpigmentations with this serum. It's got the potent antioxidants and the peptide. It's one of my favorites for the morning. Recently tried this Dermalogica Power Bright Moisturizer SPF 50 and I really loved it. It's a great protective sunscreen to block UV rays during the day. The texture is very easy to blend, super blendable. It uses a natural plant sunscreen to increase the sun protection performance. The formula also balances uneven skin tone. It's so hydrating and brightening. For every day, a no makeup look will do the job. So the base is just a thin layer of this Slip Tint Moisturizer. It gives a light coverage and sun protection. The finish is so dewy and glowy. It feels like a skincare product, not a foundation. This is a clean formula that is really gentle to the skin. You can use a sponge or just your fingertips to apply the product. And I just need to quickly touch up the brows with my Anastasia Brow Wiz brow pencil for a long-lasting natural look. Just enough to fill up the gaps in the brows. For summer mornings, I like a little powder to set the whole face. Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder is my favorite. The powder blurs the pores and smooths the skin. And just a thin layer will be enough for the whole day. For my complexion, Sage's new launch Glow Sculpt has become my essential. The Bronze Glow is a creamy product that bronzes the skin with its unique creamy texture. It's very hydrating and nourishing. I can easily give the face like a little lift with this product. I use the Peach Glow as the blush. It's got the same texture and it's very, very creamy. It's very easy to apply. Just boost the skin with a little bit radiant finish. The pigmentation is great and I love its peachy, rosy shade. Jones Road Pencil is a new addition to my makeup routine and it's never so easy to correct darkness or dark spots with a creamy pencil like this. Just apply on the target areas and blend the product with a brush, sponge or just the fingertips for a super natural look. And my mascara is also from Jones Road. I like that this mascara doesn't smudge. It adds curl, length and volume. And at the same time, it's a beautiful mascara that lifts my short, small lashes. These days, I apply 2 to 3 coats to define my eyes. I don't feel like wearing any eyeliners. I just like a look with only mascara. What do you think? For lips, I apply a little bit of the MZ Skin Volumizing Lip Perfector. I don't need too much color, honestly. This lip perfector gives fuller lips with a very sheer, glowy pink shade, and it's very lightweight and hydrating. It makes me look good and feel good. Now move on to the hair. My hair is already so long these days, and it constantly feels dry, so I use a little bit oil every other day. Kerastase Elixir All-Time Original Oil adds shine and suppleness to the hair. The oil is very nourishing and smoothing. I usually focus on the dry ends. To style the hair, Dyson Airwrap is my easy solution. This product might not be the most cost-efficient option, but it saves so much hassle, and it doesn't do any heat damage to my hair. So just look at the volume. I like this look. I finished the hairstyling with the Living Proof's Flex Hairspray. It's not sticky and it gives a nice flexible hold. This is already my 4th bottle. I love it. For my summer scent, I recently tried this new L'Occitane Delightful Mist from their Almond collection. This mist is like a fragrance with skin-loving ingredients. It's very hydrating and refreshing. It's got beautiful almond and citrusy scents. I love this smell. Okay, I'm ready for a new day. Nothing is better than a morning routine that really serves my body and mind. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. I will see you in the next one. Bye.